Cameraman problems. All right, over here we got the 2022 Silverado Chevrolet RST. Thing's a 6.2 whoppa V8. Check it out. Bing, bada, boom, boom, boom. We started up, checked for leaks. We just gave it a classic muffler delete. That's it right there on the floor. Think I want to bring it back with him, sell it on eBay. No problem. Good luck shipping it one state over for $200 and making absolutely no money. It kind of sucks. I do it myself. Anyway, 3-inch piping is what we ran. We had Geo welding it up nice and neat. And he also has this little mini resonator back here and here if he wants to do that next and take those off. Those wouldn't do too much of a difference if you took those off, but it's what you want, you know what I mean? So we're gonna bring it down for you guys and fire it up.